Hey, what's up, guys? This Chucky Monster back again. Welcome back, and I haven't shot a video in a while. Sorry about that, guys. I was on vacation, so I got another vacation video in my hobby shop score. Because of course, when we all go on vacation, you know what we do? We spend more money at the hobby shop. I always hit up my hobby shop. All the local hobby shops if I can. I try to. It keeps the hobby going. So I'll be doing a video on that. I have a video already done, so I'll put that video up, but that video is actually a pre-video to this one, so when you see it, it's gonna make it look like my channel's going backwards, but I've just been lazy and haven't put it up yet. So this video is about switching gears, because I wanted to go from the 69 Mustang to this. I had a builder's block, so I've been wanting to build this for a while, and I think this will take me out on my little builder's block kind of deal. So I put that away. I did all the body work. It's just sitting there. All the mold lines are all taken out of it. It's sitting in the box, and maybe I'll get it at the beginning of the year. I kind of want to do a Ferrari after this, but we'll see. So anyway, my vacation was great. Glad you asked. I also seen Little Joe put a video up. I just wanted to tell him welcome back, and missed you, buddy. Keep putting out them videos. Hope to see some builds. And as far as I got on this so far, I've started the Corvette C7R, and I just got it sanded. It's all sanded. All the body work's done. It's ready to be primered. So it's gonna go into primer probably tonight, and that's pretty much it on this. This could be kind of a short video. I just wanted to let you guys know I switched gears, and hope you guys understand. But I gotta build what I feel like building, or else it's just not gonna come out the way I want it to. You know, I mean, that's how I build. I build what I want to build, like what I feel like building. You know. So it's a pretty basic kit, I think. That's what everybody's telling me. I think the hardest hurdle to get over is some of these decals that are going to go on here, and I'm going to have that one that goes in here. I think that's going to be kind of a pain in the tail. So, but another thing I wanted to let you guys know, I got it something in the mail today, and by Drag City Casting. This guy, man, I'm telling you, he does phenomenal work. He's on Facebook, and he's got a business page, so I mean, Google it, check it out. Get on Facebook, check it out. But I bought the 32, the Chop Top 32, and man, look how clean and crisp this is. I mean, it is perfect. I can't even find anything on it. I mean, that's what good work this guy does. And he said, oh, it's going to be a little while. I got a bunch of orders. But, you know, to tell you the truth, it was, in my opinion, it was right on time. I mean, the guy kind of just doesn't mess around. He gets the job done, you know. Let me see if I can try. There it is. I've got the firewall for this and the window bezel. But he does. This is the best resin casting I've ever had. And I've bought plenty of them, so. But this here, by far, it's the best. And I will continue and continue and continue to buy off this guy. I know Don Yost did a video, and he said some nice things. So his video actually got me to get something, and I'm glad I did, so. Very good work this guy does. So anyway, this is gonna be a short video, so hope you guys don't mind me switching gears and doing this, because I need to do something a little different, you know. But I guess I'm gonna cut the video off and see you guys on the next video. So I'll have my other video for my vacation going up soon. So anyway, thanks for all my subscribers. If you can, hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Check out my Instagram page at ChuckyMonster1000, and I will be seeing you guys on the next video. Alright guys, take care. Bye.